This video shows how to save and open the shapes in and from the database. On top of that, you will see the use of connectors. I realize that these connectors with arrows are important, especially when you want to describe some kind of processes or to just make some connections between the shapes. I really wanted to add these connectors because in one of my old posts, DIMS, horizontal hierarchical display of the nodes, I displayed hierarchically the information stored in a tabular format. The goal I have in mind, and for which I will prepare a POC in the next video, is to take that representation, which are lines and text boxes, and transform them into shapes, which again are lines and controls. In other words, in 5-10 clicks, we can take data in tabular format and transform it in a slide. I believe it will make more sense once I will post the next video showing this process.